Assalamu alaikum dear radiant students. I hope you all are fine with the grace of Almighty Allah. It is second lecture of English grammar and today's topic is punctuation. First of all, you should know what is punctuation. It is a set of marks or signs in English, or we can say that they are pauses or stops in the text. So students, what is punctuation? Set of marks or signs or pauses or stops. Then a question arises that why punctuation is required. Actually, while speaking we add stops or pauses directly, but in writing it is not possible. So we add stops and pauses through punctuation. Now we will discuss the types of the punctuation. The most common or the primary punctuation marks are full stop, capitalization, inverted commas, question mark, exclamation mark and comma. The first one is a full stop. It is also called a period. Students, it is the most common punctuation mark in English language. You can see the symbol on the screen. It is just like a dot and it is used for a longer pause. Now let's discuss its uses. There are two uses. The first one, we used this full stop to mark the end of the simple sentences. For example, please help me. He is going to market. You can see both sentences end at a full stop. The other use is that it is used in some abbreviations of names, titles and degrees. For example, he is Dr. Smith. He is an MA. In the first example, DR dot is the abbreviation of a doctor and M dot A is the abbreviation of Masters in Arts. In both, we have used full stop. The next mark is comma. A comma marks a slight break between different parts of a sentence. Where we want to give a slight pause, we use comma and you can see the sign of the comma on screen. We use comma in list. For example, I visited America, Turkey, Ireland and Canada. To separate the names, I used comma. In direct speech, to separate reported speech from reporting speech. For example, Ali replied, no problem. I separate my reporting speech by using comma. The next one is to separate clauses and phrases. Her best friend, comma, Alize sang for her. I separate my clauses by using comma. Next we use it to write date like 9 December, 2017. Here we used comma after the name of the month, December. Then to separate the words yes or no from the sentences, we use comma. For example, yes he is going, no he is not. In letters, after salutation and complimentary clause, we use comma like dear father, dear brother, yours sincerely, yours obediently. Further, we use comma to separate question tags. For example, she is looking nice, isn't she? I separate the question tag by using comma. Moreover, to separate expressions such as therefore, however, of course, in fact, we use comma. For example, in fact, comma, I am happy to be here. Of course, comma, we will go to the party together. Next is exclamation mark. Exclamation mark is a symbol that is used to express explanation, feelings and emotions. Its symbol is displayed on the screen. It is a symbol that is used to express an exclamation like wow, what a nice dress. Here we use exclamation mark after wow, which expresses feeling of joy. Then it is used to express a direct speech that represents something ordered, shouted, or spoken very loudly. For example, run away, he shouted. The next mark is question mark. It is also called mark of interrogation. It is used to indicate and of all types of the questions, whether they are direct questions or question tags. For example, have you seen the film yet? Question mark. Second one is he is studying, isn't he? Question mark. Here first example is direct question and the second is the question tag, and both ended at the question mark. Next come the inverted commas. These are also called quotation marks. These can be double or single. You can see symbol on the screen. These are used to enclose a quotation. For example, all is well that ends well. Whenever you are going to quote the exact spoken words of the person, you will use inverted commas to write. The next one is to enclose the titles of the books and the films. We also use inverted commas. Like for the book of the Harry Potter, Hamlet, we use inverted commas. The last but not the least is capitalization. It plays very important role in writing. In capitalization, we write first letter of the some words in capital form. You can easily learn where we use capital letter by learning the keyword MINTS. M-I-N-T-S. M for the names of the months, days and holidays. I for the pronoun I. N for the names of the people, places and festivals. T for the titles of the books and movies. S for the start of the sentences. For example, at Eid al-Fitr, I am going to Lahore to watch Disney on Ice with Ali. In this example, A is capital as it is the start of the sentence. Eid al-Fitr is the name of the festival. I is a pronoun. Lahore is the name of the place. Disney on Ice is the name of the movie. And Ali is the name of the person. All these written in capital letters. These all are the punctuations. I hope you have understood it. Best of luck. Take care. Allah Hafiz.